All right, in our first word problem for today, we have there are 20 monkeys in a zoo. There are 4 times as many monkeys as lions. How many lions are there? So let's go in and take a deeper look at this word problem and how we can solve it. The first thing I like to think about is, what do I know? Well, here's what I know so far. I know that there are 20 monkeys in the zoo and that lions, there's 4 times as many, but I don't know how many lions, right? So we kind of don't know the answer to that, but we just know there's 4 times as many. So basically, we could write ourselves an equation. Some number of lions times 4, right here, equals 20. So that's the equation that we can do. Now, somehow, some of you in your head right now might be going, aha, I know exactly what this is. But some of us may not, and that's okay. So what do we actually need to solve here? Well, we need to solve for the number of lions, which is 4 times less than the number of monkeys, right? So we kind of flipped our problem around. We can say blank times 4 is 20, which is fine, but we can also do it the other way around with some division and say, well, if we know that we have 20 monkeys, and we know that the number of lions is 4 times less, then we could do 20 divided by 4 and see what we get. We can do 20 divided by 4 and see what we get. So if we were to do that, we could take a number 20. Here, there's 10. I'm going to squish it all in here, hopefully. And then here's 20. What happens if I divide it by 4? If I divide it by 4? Well, let's see. So we have our 4 bar here, and what we're going to do is see how many times we can divide this up equally. So starting with 1, we've got 1. And what we're trying to do here is match it up so that it's nice and even. We've got 1. We've got 2. I'm still trying to get a good even one. There we go. 1, 2. See, we've got 3. We've got 4. And we have 5. So if we were to take 20 and divide it by 4, we would have a total of 5 bead bars. So the answer here is 5. That means 5 times 4 is also 20. That means the number of lions we had was 5. So our answer is there are 5 lions in the zoo, and we can solve that through multiplication and division. Notice they're in the same fact family. Some of you from the beginning might have said, ooh, I know 5 times 4 is 20, and guessed it right away, which is awesome too. You might have also done some skip counting by 4s. You could have said 4, 8, 12, 15. Sorry, you could have said 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, which is 5 times. So you can count by 4s as well using your bead chain.